Yes student, today we are going to learn how to draw a pie chart, which is also called a circle graph. So following information is there. These are the some colors which are liked by number of people. So blue color is liked by 18, green color is liked by 9, red is by 6 and yellow is by 3. So before drawing the pie chart, we know that for pie chart we have to draw a circle, and in a circle at the center 360 degree of angle is there. So we have to first change the data in the form of degree. We have to find the degree for it. So what we have to do, we have to first find the total number of people. So this will be 6 plus 3 9, 9 9 18, 18 plus 8 26, 6 to carry 36. So here we are getting the total number of people 36. So central angle, what column we are going to write? Central angle. Central angle, the angle that we will going to take at the center of the circle. So for blue we have to find the central angle. So take 18 at the numerator and at denominator take the total 36, and we know that the complete angle is of 360 degrees, so multiplied by 360 degrees. So these two will be cancelled. 10, 18 into 10 will give 180 degrees. So for blue the angle is 180 degrees. Now for 9 upon 36 into 360, you have to divide each these numbers by the total number of people and multiply by 360 degree for finding the central angle. So this will be equal to 90 degree. Here 6 upon 36 into 360 degree. Again this will give 60 degree. 6 into 10, 3 upon 36 into 360 degree. This will give 30 degree. So these are the distribution of angles. Now let us draw the pie chart for it. So what you have to do, you have to first draw a circle. You have to first draw a circle. Taking the compass, you have to first draw a circle. So I am drawing a circle. So let the circle be like this. Let the circle be. So first we are going to draw a circle, then we have to divide the central angle of the circle according to the angle so formed. So this is the circle. Now let us mark its center point. Now we have to mark the angle of these colors in the circle. So blue color, what is the central angle? 180 degree. We know that 180 degree means the straight line. It means if we draw the diameter, in the circle, so we are drawing a horizontal line for 180 degree. We know that a straight line is there passing through the center. So if you just draw a straight line, this is showing 180 degree of angle. This is 180 degree of angle. So let it be showing the blue color. Which color it is showing? Blue color. Blue. Then now here we have marked the part of blue color. So which part is left? The lower one. For green, what is the angle? 90 degree. Now 90 degree we are going to mark over here. 90 degree we know that it is half of 180 degree. Above is 180 degree and below is also 180 degree. It is half. So we can use the set square, or you can also use the D. I am using the set square. We know that in the set square the vertical angle is of 90 degrees. So how we will going to mark it? You will going to put the set square carefully below this line, and the corner of the set square at the point, and keep the pencil in your hand, pencil or pen, and just draw a line. So this angle is of 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree, and what color it is giving? Green. Now these two sectors are occupied by blue and green. Now this portion is left. It means in this portion we're going to mark the rest color red and yellow. For red what is the angle? 60 degree. For yellow what is the angle? 30 degree. Now for 60 degree and 30 degree, again I am using the set square. You can also use the D for it. So if we take the another set square, in this set square the vertical angle is of 90 degree. This smaller angle, the smaller part is of 30 degree, and this part is of 60 degree. So I am using it. So first of all we are marking 60 degree. So 60 degrees over here. So how we will going to mark? We have to take this. We're going to keep the set square over this line, and the corner of the set square at the point. Carefully you have to, and just draw the line. So this angle is of 60 degree. This is 60 degree of angle, and this is occupied by what color? Red. So the last portion which is left is for yellow. So let us check whether it is of 30 degree or not. 30 degrees over here. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep the set square carefully over here, and we are observing that it is completely covering this angle. So it means this is 30 degree of angle, and it is occupied by yellow. So this way we can draw the pie chart. So in this pie chart we are watching some sectors which are occupied by blue, green, red and yellow. So whenever any data is given to you, first of all you have to find the central angle, and on the basis of these central angle you can draw the pie chart using the circle, and you can use either set square if the angles are possible to draw through set square, or you can also use the protractor for it. Thank you.